Last year, we had over 200 sellers come out for our first annual Camp Ecom event. This isn't a typical conference that you've been to 100 times. This is an intense 2-day workshop. We have interactive sections all day, which means that we teach something and then you work on it as a group in a group breakout. That means that you're going to have the opportunity to meet tons of other sellers and interact with them and learn from the people that are better at different things than you are, while you have the opportunity to also teach others around you. But the point is, we want you to actually learn and then do so you can understand it at a very high level and leave ready to work. Now, last year, we only had 2 sections. We had the business management track, which was for our larger sellers and executives that were looking to go from 5 million to 50 million. We still have that track. This year, though, we're going to have our CEO coach that's been helping Jennifer and I and our businesses, all of our businesses for the last 3 years, come in and lead a quarterly planning session with you and your upper management team. Then in the second day, we're going to talk about how to pull the levers that you identified in that planning session with some great speakers that are very successful. This year, we switched it up a little bit, though, for the other track. Instead of just having one where we try to cram pre-launch and post-launch into one track, we decided to break it into 2 different tracks. We're going to have a pre-launch track and a post-launch track. Now, in the pre-launch track, you're going to get to learn all about the different ways that you can develop products and get it into Amazon in the most efficient way to utilize the cutting edge, state-of-the-art AI tools in order to make better decisions in your business and to lean out your supply chain. On the post-launch section, we're going to be talking about everything to do with traffic and conversions, meaning traffic from off of Amazon and within Amazon that can help you push your keyword ranks and help you figure out how to keep optimizing your ads and your conversion rate on your listings. So what I highly recommend you do is come out and bring any of your partners and team members to hit the different sections. If you're already above a few $1 million, go to the business management section with you and maybe a partner. If you've got employees, bring them into Orlando, into town with one of our discounted team price tickets and put them in the other sections. 96% of the people that attended Camp Ecom last year said that it would impact their business immediately in a positive way. So I hope that you take this seriously. This isn't just a fun conference with s'mores and campfires and networking opportunities and the ability to meet some incredible entrepreneurs that are just like you. There's that too. But this is also a very intense 2-day workshop event. I want you to come out, bring your team members out, and experience what it's like to go through a real learning session to level up your Amazon brand. I hope to see you there. I'm looking forward to it. And we're only 6 or 7 weeks away now, and might be a little chilly, so bring a sweater, but get ready for some s'mores. I'll see you at Camp Ecom.